Is everybody this evening? It's actually kind of quiet in my house this evening. I don't know what to do with that. My kids are old enough that at least I don't have to worry about when it gets too quiet, you know, when they're little. And if it gets too quiet, then you worry that, you know, something's up. Luckily, I at least don't have to worry about that anymore most of the time. But it's just not usually this quiet in my house. It's kind of weird. Anyway, first of all, before we get started, I wanted to tell you guys, if you haven't seen, I know some of you guys have asked in the past, forgive me, I got a little bit of gravel in my throat this evening, about when we had the $1 joining and that sort of thing. We actually now have what they call a mini kit, and it's active until October 15th, so you've got a little bit of time for this. And basically what it is you get 2 products. You get to choose between 2 different bundles. 2 products for $15 to join my team. Now, that means if you want to be active and selling and like me, great. If you want to join and just get the discount and stay active enough to have the discount, the 40% discount yourself and your family and friends, that's okay too. But just for $15, it's normally $100, which I still don't think is too crazy, because you get $350 worth of product for that $100. It's actually $99 technically. Or then we actually have a customizable kit, and I am going to talk about that here sometime soon, but the customizable kit is the same products that's in the $100 kit. However, for $130, you get to pick what print you want and what personalization you want. So if you don't necessarily like the prints that are in that particular kit, in our $99 kit, signature kit, you can pick the other prints. So just something I wanted to pass along there and let you guys know about. That's out there right now. But I also want to talk about, so I don't know if you guys saw yet. If you have the catalog, if you still need one, let me know. The virtual one is out there. I can post that below this video too. But sorry, my sinuses are just driving me crazy this evening. But anyway, we have packing cubes now. And if you've ever seen or used packing cubes, they're a beautiful, beautiful thing for multiple reasons. One of which being keeping your bag organized. Another being when you get to the place that you're going, you pull them out, pop them into a drawer, so that you don't have to have your clothes touching the hotel drawer. Plus it keeps them organized while you're there, and then when it's time to leave, you just zip the cube back up and put it in. Although I will say they aren't really cubes, so I'm not sure why they call them cubes. So, but we have 2 options in these right now. One is a trio. It's called the Pack and Zip Travel Trio. And to get all 3 together, it's a Hostess exclusive, but it's only $25 for all 3 together, which is a pretty good deal. And I am going to kind of give you an idea of what's in each. So this is the small one. Kind of cute, isn't it? So you can kind of see the size of it there. And I have in here, and you can see it has the little vent there, and it has the handle, which is handy dandy there, isn't it? But I have in here, I'm going to open this puppy up to give you an idea. I have 5 pairs of socks, a bra, and 4 pairs of underwear, and I could have put more in. So if that gives you an idea, that it holds quite a bit, you know. And then, like, I'm zipping it back up here. It zips all the way around. This does come, the set comes in your choice of 3 prints. One is this charcoal crosshatch. One is I always forget the name of this, gumdrop dot. Gumdrop spots, that's what it is. There you go. And then that's the brightly colored dots, really pretty there, on kind of a navy background. And then the other is that black and white plaid that everybody wants. So they do come in. So anyway, so this is the small one, and like I said, this is the set. It comes the small, medium, large for $25 as the Hostess exclusive set. But that's the small one. And like I said, 4 pairs of underwear, 4 pairs of socks, a bra, and I could have fit more. This is the medium one. Let me hold this up so you can see the size difference here. Okay. Same features, vent, handle. Hey, Julie. And when you unzip it, I actually have in here a hoodie, like a really sturdy hoodie. We're talking, this is one of those really warm insulated ones. A long sleeve, like hoodie, sweatshirt, but lighter fabric, and a couple of t-shirts. And again, I probably could have put at least one other shirt in there. So that gives you an idea of that size one. And then, this is the large one. Okay. And this one, oh, let me hold the small one next to that one too so you can see. You can see the size difference. Okay. Same features, zipper, vent, handle. And I have in here a set of pajamas, which is like a nice pair of pajama bottoms and a t-shirt, 2 pairs of jeans and a pair of yoga pants, and again, I could have fit more. I did not stuff these full. So that gives you an idea of what these things, and again, that's the set of 3. You can get in 3 different prints, $25. That's a Hostess exclusive. However, we do have one of these puppies that is in the catalog, and that's the medium pack and zip. I'm packing this puppy back up. You can get just the medium pack and zip cube. Again, I don't know why they call it a cube. It's not really a cube, but in the catalog. So this one by itself is $20. You can get by itself in the catalog, and it is personalizable, and it does come in the same 3 prints. So it comes in the charcoal crosshatch, it comes in the gumdrop spots, and it comes in that black and white plaid that I want it all in that plaid. So, you know, really nice. Like I said, it's great for traveling, whether you're just going away overnight or you're going away for a week. Keeps things organized, keeps things clean. If you're somebody who travels for business and has to hop from hotel to hotel, makes that a lot easier. So just some options there. Again, that's in the catalog. If you don't have one yet, let me know. I will post the link again for the virtual version of the catalog below the video. So have a great evening, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.